Oh, she's got.
Motherfuckers over here talking about the green dot. The green dot people.
Hola.
Shut up.
Did you send me to the name?
Bitch.
You.
I'm gonna fuck you up. Leave me alone. What the hell was that?
Hey, I can't.
I'm bored.
Something's wrong with him.
Haha. Camera didn't even see you. Don't scare me. Don't scare me. No. You should not be in my video. You know, I could just cut this whole scene. I'll cut any part. You mother. Don't make me fuck you up. Fucking knew it. I just fucking knew it. Get y'all fucking navigator ass out of my video. No!
I'm done.
The bitches all at my house.
Don't yell at me.
Fuck you, bitch.
I got all the bitches. You don't got no bitches.
You don't try to get loud.
You are a bitch. You still owe me $2.